my name is Rachel.
Hi, my name is Tamika.
I had a great time here.
And for the past 2 days, I attended a Think Smarter, Lead Better workshop where I have gained insightful skills on how to better solve problems.
Thank you. We had a really great 2-day workshop and our facilitator, Kirti Bajaj, was exceptional.
The trainers gave us frameworks, different problem-solving frameworks that I am going to implement in my workplace.
It was basically how to approach problems, how to sort them out, the thinking that you have to have when you see a problem instead of just getting blank and just going for the solution directly, to identify what is causing the problem and how to avoid it in the future as well.
I've also learned that leadership is not a title, it is a skill.
The training has really impacted us, whether you are in the office space or as a personal or individual, you're doing your own things, and I recommend this to everyone, absolutely everyone.
I'm really grateful because I've learned a lot, and I believe that in my future career and in my workplace, I'll be able to implement all these things that I'm able to learn in these 2 days. Thank you.
I really enjoyed and had fun with the instructors, and it was a great experience.
I believe I will become a better leader once I implement everything that has been taught to me in the last few days.
It will work in your home, it will work in the office, it will work anywhere you are. Thank you very much, Struck Strategies. I am a better person today.
And it was an honor and a pleasure to be here.
Thank you, Nairobi. Here's to smarter thinking, stronger leadership, and shared growth.